cool, but I hit is retarded. Make one false move and your head is a target. Got a drip and I still ain't rewarded. To ball with my crew like I play with the Hornets. Ray GDN like my bro DJ Corn. I can walk in magic, turn the weather to stormy. These fuck bitches won't give me a horse. You hear the horses when we run in these Porsches.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cjsogreezy, back with another banger. You know, consistency is key, but today I'm about to be giving y'all a little tutorial because people been asking me, yo CJ, how you get your thumbnails like that? So I'm about to be doing a little tutorial for everybody to figure out how to get their thumbnails like this and like this. So if you want a thumbnail like this, then stay tuned. You already know we got a banger on the way. We lit. Alright, so these are the two apps that you're gonna be needing. You're gonna need Phonto and Picsart. Alright, so first you wanna get your picture that you wanna turn into the thumbnail. That's the main important thing, obviously, but you just wanna get the picture that you wanna turn into the thumbnail. Go on Picsart, click on it. I'm gonna use this one. You have to cut out you from the background. So you just click this little scissor right here. Zoom in, go over everything that you want to keep. I'm gonna be right back when I'm done. Alright, so once you have one over everything that you need, click save and it's gonna crop it out. And you just have to save that. Now you want to make your background. So we go back to the picture. So first what I like to do is add a little color to it. So you click effects, colorize, click it again, and then the top one is how you select the color that you like, and then the bottom one is like how much you want of it. So we're gonna make today's one green. I change every time, so there's no really correct way to do it, but you know what to do. Well, you gonna know what to do when I'm done. Now I go to the draw thing, I select the brush. I normally use the one that's selected. Just go over like around your body and around the corners to make it pop out more. Alright, so I just put it basically all over. I click apply, then I add another effect to it. I put a little blur, I drop it down. 5 to 10 is alright. So I'm gonna put mine at like 8, boom. Then what I like to do after that is add the emojis, an emoji that go in the background. So how you do that, go to text, add like a little emoji. You just add the emoji. I like to add a shadow to mine and make it pop out more for me. I just adjust it how I want it. Then I click position and I move the shadow wherever I want it at. And you just basically put it where you want it. Then I add another one. Alright, that looks alright. I click apply. Alright, once you're done with your emojis, you want to add your photo back. So you click add photo, click on the cutout, click add, put it where it needs to be at. I like to match mine perfectly where it was. Some people like to throw it off a little bit. So once I put that, I put a border around it. I make sure that it's white. I like to use like 5 because it's not too much, not too little. So I like to use 5. That's boom, that's perfect right there. Then I add a shadow to it. I kind of like it how it is. So I'm gonna just leave that right there, apply it. Then once your picture's on there, you see where we're going with it. It's already looking raw, you feel me? Like I said, you go back on sticker. This is how you add the little camera, the little camera thing, man. I forgot what it's called, but you search up DDG. I don't know why it pops up for him, but you just click on DDG. I use the first one in the second row. And actually, this is not the one I use, but this one cool too. I can just make it fit. So boom, that look good right there. So boom, once you're done with that, you click apply. And once I'm done with everything on this, I like to add effect to it. So I click effect, HDR. It's normally good how it is, and I click apply, and then I download. Alright, so boom, you're done with Picsart. Then you have to go on Phonto. This is where you put the title at. Alright, so you open up Phonto. You click right here, photo album. You click on the thumbnail that you got from Picsart. Click done. Alright, so right here, all you gotta do, tap, add text, put put what you want it to be. I'm gonna do 3 layers. I'm gonna do how to, make, and then thumbnails. Alright, so let me work on how to first. You click style, create a color pattern at the top. I like to use vertical, so I click vertical, and then you find what color you think finna look good. Alright, so it look cool right there. I apply it. I add a stroke, a white one. I put it on 15. Then I click style. Then I add a blur. To do that, you move alpha all the way, and then you move it how you want with X and Y. So I'm gonna do that. Click size, move it up to how big I think I need it, and then you could add a little curve to it too by sliding to the right and then click curve. Alright, so we're done with how to. Then we add another one. You add your color. I normally like to make my middle words white and gray. I put it where I need it. Oh, I forgot the shadow. Then you want to add a shadow all the way. Move X and Y where you want it at. Click done. Put it where it's at. Add a little curve to it. Put it where you feel like it fits the best. And add another one. How to make thumbnails. I be forgetting what color I use, so I be having to go back. Alright, so blue and green. Alright. And boom. Yeah, I see we basically done. Now, this is just like a basic tutorial. You use this and use your mind, and you just create your thumbnail however you want it. You go crazy with it. Do you? Everybody different. Do it how you want to do it. But this is my go-to thumbnail design. This is what I'm gonna use for the video. I might change it up, but that's basically it. I showed y'all how to do everything. Y'all straight. So if y'all like the video, make sure y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next. And if y'all want this font, y'all got to get this video to 50 likes. 50 likes, and I'll teach y'all how to get that font, because you ain't just gonna find it on here. But that's about it right there. You just click this, the little button at the bottom, save image, and you done. But yeah, man, stay tuned for more bangers. 1,000 subs on the way, man. We gone. Gang.
Pussy cool, but I head is retarded. Make one false move and your head is a target. Got a drip and I still ain't rewarded. The ball with my crew like I play with the Hornets. Ray GDN like my bro DJ Corny. I can walk in magic, turn the weather to stormy. These fuck bitches won't give me a horse. You hear the horses when we run in these Porsches.